Round Leather Box Making Part 2, the final video in the series. In this video, you'll get to discover how to make a simple yet effective cutting jig for perfect, accurate cuts that separates your lid from your base. You'll also get to see how to make an internal lining which holds your lid in place using a specialized butt stitch that lies beneath the leather. Plus, as a bonus, I'll also show you how to create a zero gap between the lining and the exterior that adds friction to the lid for a smooth quality feel when opening your box. All this and much more out now, so join thousands of other students worldwide in the Leathercraft Masterclass today. Tap the link in bio for more information or comment below. Hi, my name is Philip and this is the Leathercraft Masterclass.